Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link a MyGov account to the ATO. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is prepare your account and identity verification. So ensure you have a MyGov account and that your signed in method meets the ATO's requirements. Use MyID, the MyGov code generator, or passkey. So what we need to do from here, go to my.gov.au and sign into your account. So as you can see here, we need to sign in with either digital ID, passkey, or you can sign in with your username or email and your password. So with this demonstration, I'm just going to sign in with my email and password and then click sign in. Now they're going to send me a code by SMS. I'm going to go ahead and put that code in here. Then click next. Okay, so I'm inside MyGov now. Now from here, we need to go and view and link services. So if we scroll down a bit here, it's going to say link services and all your link services are going to appear below that, but we need to go ahead and link the ATO. So go ahead and click on view and link services. Then from here, we're on the link service tab and scroll down, look for link a service, Australian Taxation Office. Go ahead and click on that link button. Then from here, it will say before you start to link Australian Tax Office, your MyGov profile details must match the details on your Australian Taxation Office records. Your MyGov profile details are, and they're going to show you your profile details. So go ahead and click on continue from there. Okay, so from here, it will say getting started. So link to the ATO. So we'll need to scroll down here and click on I agree to the terms, have a read of this, and then click next. Then from here, you're going to have your identity details and then provide your personal details. So we need to put in our tax file number and address as held on ATO records, and also your full address here as well. Right, once you've filled it out, go ahead and click on the next button. So we need to go ahead and confirm it's you. So from here, we need to confirm it's your record. So all fields marked with are mandatory. So answer 2 shared secrets between you and the ATO. Okay, so once you've filled out those two, we need to go back and go ahead and click on submit. Now, if you got an error, go ahead and fix any errors and click submit again. Then after you've done that, you should see this. So link to ATO, your ATO record has been verified. So from here, go ahead and click continue. Then from here, you'll be taken to onlineservices.ato.gov. But if we go back to MyGov, and now I'm back to link services, and we can see here Australian Tax Office linked on the 21st of July 2025. And now if you want to go to that service, click on go to service.